everyone, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make simple and easy soyabean curry step by step. And if you like my recipes, then like, share, subscribe. Also comment your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. First, in a bowl, take 1 cup of soyabean. Add a little bit of salt and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, squeeze the water without breaking the soyabeans. Now for the masala, we need onion, tomato, green chili, ginger, garlic, dry red chili, salt and cooking oil. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add garlic and ginger and saute for 30 to 40 seconds. Then add onion and saute for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, add the chili and mix it. Then add dry red chili and tomato and saute for a minute. Do the whole process on high flame. Now turn off the flame and leave it to cool. I have given all the measurements in the description box. After 15 to 20 minutes, make a smooth paste of the masala. Now we need turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon sticks, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, oil, water, boiled potato cut into cubes and the soyabeans. Now heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and shallow fry the soyabeans. It will take just 1 minute. Take out the soyabeans and shallow fry the boiled potatoes following the same process. Now take out the potatoes. Now heat the same pan, you can take another pan also and add a little bit of oil. Then spread it all over the pan. Now add cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick and stir it for few seconds. And then add the masala paste which we made earlier. Now add a little bit of water, mix it well and cook for 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, add turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt as per taste and mix it well. Cook it until the oil gets separated from the masala. Don't forget to stir in between. And do it on medium high flame or high flame. After that, add little bit of water and cook for 2 minutes. Then add the potatoes After 1 minute, add a little bit of water. Now mash 2-3 potatoes so that you will get thick gravy. Then you mix it and cook for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, add the soyabeans and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add water as how you want the consistency to be. Now cook for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn off the heat and you can add chopped coriander leaves. Now, soyabean curry is ready. Take it out in a serving bowl. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also comment below. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.